Phrase 56, fyr den af, means in English, fire it off. Also meaning in English, go for it, and party hard. Danish meaning, giv den gas, and feste. Example, Danish, vi fyrer den af i aften. English meaning, we are going all out tonight. Also used as encourage someone to go all in or party hard. Phrase 57, det stinker, means in English that sucks, and that's bad. Means in Danish, det er dårligt. Example, Danish, det stinker med den nyhed. In English, that news really sucks. Also used as express dissatisfaction or disappointment. Phrase 58, go amok, means in English, go crazy. Also means in Danish, bliv ved eller miste kontrollen. Example, Danish, han gik helt amok på festen. Also means in English, he went totally crazy at the party. Also used as when someone behaves wildly or uncontrollably. Phrase 59, slå koldt vand i blodet, means in English, calm down. Also means in Danish, tag det roligt. Example, in Danish, du skal slå koldt vand i blodet. In English, you need to calm down. Also used as tell someone to relax or stay calm. Phrase 60, hygge dig, means in English, enjoy yourself. Danish, ha' det hyggeligt. Example in Danish, hygge dig i weekenden. In English, enjoy yourself this weekend. Also used as wish someone a pleasant, cozy time. Phrase 61, luk røven. In English, shut up. In Danish, at tie stille. Example in Danish, han skal bare lukke røven. In English, he just needs to shut up. Also used as tell someone to be quiet. Phrase 62, skråb af, means in English, get lost. In Danish, forsvind. Example in Danish, skråb af og aldrig kom tilbage. In English, get lost and don't come back. Also used as angrily tell someone to leave. Phrase 63, at være oppe at køre, means in English to be worked up. Also means in Danish at være meget ophidset. Example in Danish, han var helt op at køre efter kampen. Also in English, he was totally worked up after the match. Also used as when someone is emotionally stirred or excited. Phrase 64, tag benene på nakken, means in English, run away. Means in Danish, flygte hurtigt. Example in Danish, han tog benene på nakken, da politiet kom. Means in English, he ran away when the police came. Also used as when someone escapes quickly. Phrase 65, rende ind i noget, means in English, run into trouble. Also means in Danish, at komme i problemer. Example in Danish, han rendte ind i noget alvorligt. Means in English, he ran into something serious. Also used as when someone encounters difficulties unexpectedly. Phrase 66. Vær på røven. Means in English, be broke. In Danish, at være uden penge. Example in Danish, jeg er helt på røven denne måned. In English, I'm completely broke this month. Also used as describe being financially broke. Phrase 67. Skru bissen på. In English, get tough. Also means in Danish, at blive streng eller hård. Example in Danish. Læreren skruede bissen på efter pausen. In English, the teacher got tough after the break. Also used as when someone becomes strict or tough. Phrase 68. Få benene at gå på. Means in English, spread quickly. Also in Danish, noget der hurtigt spredes. Example in Danish, nyheden fik hurtigt ben at gå på. Means in English, the news spread quickly. Also used as for things that spread quickly. Phrase 69. Hænge med næbbet. Means in English, be down, also sad. Danish, at være ked af det. Example in Danish, han hang med næbbet efter eksamen. Means in English, he was down after the exam. Also means when someone looks sad or discouraged. Phrase 70. Spis brød til. It means in English, calm down. Also in Danish, at tage det roligt. Example in Danish, du skal lige spise brød til. Means in English, you need to calm down. Also means, tell someone to take it easy. Phrase 71. Giv den gas. Means in English, go for it and step on it. Means also in Danish, gør en ekstra ansat. Example in Danish, kom nu, giv den gas. Means in English, come on, go for it. Also used as cheer someone to do their best or hurry. Phrase 72. Rend mig i røven. Means in English, screw you. Also in Danish, udtryk for hvad. Example in Danish, rend mig i røven. Jeg gider ikke mere. English, screw you, I'm done. Also used as express strong irritation. Spis brød til. It means in English, calm down. Also in Danish, at tage det roligt. Example in Danish, du skal lige spise brød til. Means in English, you need to calm down. Also means, tell someone to take it easy. Phrase 74. Dumme svin. In English, jerk. In Danish, skældsord. Example in Danish, han opfører sig som en dum svin. In English, he acted like a total jerk. Also used as insult someone acting badly. Phrase 75. For fit. In English, awesome or super cool. Danish, rigtig godt or sejt. Example in Danish, det var bare for fedt, man. In English, that was just awesome, man. Also used as describe something really cool. Phrase 76. Tag dig sammen. Means in English, pull yourself together. In Danish, opfør dig ordentligt. Example in Danish, kom nu, tag dig sammen. In English, come on, pull yourself together. Also used as tell someone to focus or behave better. Phrase 77. Fise i en hornlygte. English, do something pointless. In Danish, gør noget nytteløs. Example in Danish, det er som at fise i en hornlygte. English, it's like farting in a lantern. Also used as describe a completely pointless action. Phrase 78. Smooth talk. In English, take your clothes off. In Danish, tag dit tøj af. Example in Danish, kom nu smooth-talket og hop ind i vandet. In English, come on, take your clothes off and jump in. You can also use as jokingly tell someone to undress. Phrase 79. Hold kæft hvor fedt. Means in English, shut up, that's awesome. In Danish, det er virkelig sejt. Example in Danish, hold kæft hvor fedt det var. In English, shut up, that was awesome. Also can use as extreme praise. Phrase 80. Du er ikke rigtig klog. Means in English, you're crazy. Or are you nuts? Means in Danish, du opfører dig meget mærkeligt. Example in Danish, du er rigtig klog. Er du? In English, you're not really sane, are you? Also can